And another 5 hours consumed by this 155. But the good news is the engine's out. Actually, to be fair, it looks a lot worse than it was. Nothing actually snapped, nothing actually broke. So a little bit of patience, a lot of lube, perseverance, but we're out. We've got a couple of bits and bobs that we've got to address. Obviously replacement parts, we've got a big parts list now. Brackets will all work to be shot blasted. Fan cowling, that will come up nicely. Bottom radiator, it was always going to be too rotten to go forward with. I'm going to give it a go, but I think by the time we blast that, that's going to just disintegrate. You can't get them, so it's be gentle with that, or make something else up. Good news is the power steering pipes, aircon pipes, all the connectors were horrible, but like I was saying, perseverance and lubrication, nothing broke. We're going to try and get some new ones. If we can't, we can clean these up and use them again. With the engine, we'll have a deeper dive into that next week. I think the plan is to strip it all down and see what we can renew and what we can save. I feel like the next 5 hours is going to be cleaning up this workshop, but yeah, happy. Another step forward.